Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change the notification tone on WhatsApp. Whether you want a unique sound for messages or just a quieter tone, follow these simple steps to customize your notifications. Open WhatsApp on your smart device and make sure you are logged in to access the settings. On the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the three dots and click on them. When a small window opens, scroll down to the settings option and then click on it. A new page will open with a drop-down menu where you will look for the notifications option and then click on it. By clicking on the notification option, the next page will open where you will look for the notification tone option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The application will open a small window with folders offered to you. It is up to you which folder to choose, but keep in mind that they must have tones in them. We move to select the sounds folder and click on it. After the application shows us a list of tones, we suggest you select all, and then if you like one, just click on it and then the same on the OK option. And that's it. Now you have successfully changed the notification tone for messages on WhatsApp. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.